Okay, 2002 GMC Sierra. When it's cold in the morning and you make a left-hand turn, the horn will randomly sound. Since I leave pretty early in the morning, my neighbors were getting tired of getting woken up by my random horn blasts. Problem is what happens is with these contacts, this is where the airbag retainer is. So these shafts go into there. There's a little clip, as you can see on the back of it, and that clip through this screw makes contact, and then it grounds out through the airbag. So just a little movement of the airbag ever so slight causes the horn to go off, and the solution is to either use a fiber washer, or in this case, since I was ill prepared, just to put a piece of electrical tape between the screw and that retainer, and then reinstall the contacts, and that'll keep the airbag from or the horn from grounding through the airbag. Again, this is the up to 2002. They changed the airbag design in 03 and up, so it won't work for there. But if you're having a problem with your earlier GMC or Chevy pickup, this is the solution you need. Thanks.